Welcome to the Reports section. In this demo, we'll walk you through the Sales Report feature, where you can track your team's revenue flow, client payments, and invoices, all in one smart dashboard. Start by clicking Reports from the left-hand panel, and then select Sales Report. This page shows a clean summary of your sales activity between any time range you select. Use the date range filter to check reports for a specific period, like weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can also filter by client name to see invoices for a particular customer. Switch between Sales Report, Lead Report, and Deal Report from here. Each tab gives you a focused view. For example, Sales Report focuses on client invoices and payments. Need to share data with management or finance? No problem, just click on Export to Excel and download your full sales report instantly. This table gives you all the key details, like when the payment was made, the invoice number, client name, total value, amount received, tax, discounts, and the bank account used. If there's no data in the table, don't worry. It simply means there's no sales entry for the selected time or client. You can adjust filters to refresh the view. You can choose how many entries to display at once and navigate through pages using the previous and next buttons below. And that's your sales report, helping you track revenue, check client payment status, and stay on top of collections.